Out here at the Sulphur River Wildlife Management Area. Had about an hour before dark after work. Thought I might come out and get a squirrel. But they're being elusive. Instead, what did show itself was this giant possum. This thing is huge. That's my size 11 boot. So, we'll take them home, make us some chili for supper. Because Arkansas. Looks like 3 pounds, 9.8 ounces. Now, we debone the meat so we can make our chili. So here we have 1.5 pounds of ground possum, all cooking up. I mean, you take possum meat, you grind it up, and you cook it. It looks no different than any other ground meat. It could be beef or something. You would never know. And finally, possum chili. Looks like any other chili in the world. Tastes like chili. Good stuff. Go out and shoot you a possum. Make you some chili.